Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Kahk, which are Egyptian cookies for Eid al Fitr. They could also be used for any sort of celebration, and they get their flavor from toasted sesame seeds. So we're going to put those in the oven and get them golden brown. And the cookie batter is really simple. It's just all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, and melted butter. After it's baked, then you dust it with the powdered sugar to give it the sweetness. So let me get everything mise en place, and I'll show you how to make it. Hello, friends. I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe, and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes? So the first thing we need to do is toast our sesame seeds. So this is 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and you want to sprinkle them out on a baking sheet that has nothing on it. So I don't have a silk pad or parchment paper. It's not greased. It's nice and clean and dry. And we want to spread them out and then make a thin layer of them. And we're gonna put them into a 325-degree oven, and we're gonna bake them, check them after 8 minutes, and we want them golden brown. All right, that's 8 minutes, and as you can see, it really hasn't gotten golden yet. So I just wanna shake the pan up a little bit and even rotate it. There. And then we'll put it back in, and let's try it for another 4 minutes, and we'll get some nice golden color. While the sesame seeds are in the oven, I'm going to get together our dry ingredients. So this is 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, and to it we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're just going to stir it together. Make sure all those ingredients are mixed in very well. There we go, a nice golden brown color on our sesame seeds. Now, we're gonna add this into our mixing bowl while they are hot. You want these to be nice and warm, and we're gonna get them in. We're gonna stir it up. So now you can really see how golden they are. It's hard to tell in the sheet pan, but now we're gonna mix this together with the flour. And once you have it all mixed in, you're gonna make a little bit of a well in the center, because that is where we're gonna pour in our melted butter. 1 1/4 cups of melted butter, and that I just melted in the microwave, so it's still nice and warm. You can melt it in a pot over the stove if you prefer. And we want to mix that together. See how beautiful and golden brown that is? Oh, can't wait. So we're gonna get that completely mixed in. So I'm gonna scoop the cookie dough with this tablespoon cookie scoop size and put it on a baking tray with a non-slip mat, a silicone non-slip mat, or you could do parchment paper. And this is how I like to space them: 3, 2, 3, and then another 2 and 3, and use the back of a fork, and you're gonna press down and make that little indentation. And when it bakes, it'll keep the indentation mark on the cookie. And then when we dust it with powdered sugar, that indentation helps hold the sugar in those indents and gives it the sweetness, since there's absolutely no sugar in our dough. So let me finish, and then I'll get into a 325-degree oven and bake until they're golden brown. Here they are out of the oven, 325, and there's just a very light golden brown on the bottom, and that was for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna dust it with our powdered sugar right over the top. And you want to dust it a lot, get them completely covered, because there's no sugar in the recipe. There we go. Here are our beautiful cookies, and they have come out of the oven. I'm going to dredge them with lots of sugar. I'll take a bite. Look how nice they are. Mmm. Oh, that was absolutely delightful. What a wonderful cookie with the sesame flavor and a little bit of sugar on the top. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Please check out all the videos on my YouTube channel. There's over 460, and come back for more. I make about 2 a week. So thanks, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.